Hey guys, I just wanted to get on here and thank you all so much for 80,000 subscribers. I can't even begin to explain to you how grateful I am to each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much for all your support over the years and subscribing and liking and buying our merch and helping me on this journey of building a trucking company. I genuinely am so over the moon right now. Thank you guys so much. Bobby got a call the other day from his friend Cody. Apparently, Cody had sewage backing up into his house. He had called the plumber and they tried to unclog the line but couldn't with the equipment that they had with them. They quoted Cody $6,500 to bring out different equipment and unclog the line the next day. Rather than pay the plumber, Bobby and Cody took the excavator over there and repaired the section of pipe. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Try and like dig a hole with the shovel and find it from here, or
yeah, it's soft
definitely,
as hell.
definitely some rooks in here now.
Can't believe how soft it is. Surprised that tree hasn't fallen yet. Holy crap.
House outside.
Probably has. That's why there's cracks in the ground floor. Because like right here is where the
Yeah, the mark was.
Yeah.
Well, I'm thinking I'm looking more downstream too, right? 'Cause that's
Yeah,
going up.
definitely. And it doesn't really matter where we, and you can see the pipe is kind of going that way.
Yeah.
So their mark was pretty accurate.
Yeah,
'Cause
it was actually.
Yeah.
No.
You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't matter where the clean out is. We can jam that thing.
Yeah.
But if it's broken or something, we need to find that. Hey, you're really close. I can see the black dirt. No, I get it.
Oh, good.
Get out. Just it should be right here. I think it's been weakened for a little while. Look at that.
For sure, yeah.
Oh yeah, there it is. Gross.
This is the stuff we're probably gonna have to put in the truck. Because you don't want to put that back in the ground.
I don't want to take it out of the ground. Nasty. Wonder if it's roots that busted it or what. Oh no, stay up there.
We haven't even seen the worst of it yet when we start cutting the pipe.
Well, I know. Not looking forward to that.
We'll have to probably put back in and then scoop out the nasty stuff, you know what I mean? Bring Phil back. What else did you do with it? Is that it?
What? Here's a nice foot.
Definitely a big pipe.
I wonder where it changes from the 4 to, that looks like probably 6.
Yeah. Well, what I'm worrying too is if this is both my neighbor and I in it right now.
Oh.
So I'm worried. My worry
Well,
is
it's broken on this side.
my worry is us doing this and he's over in a storm.
Yeah, we're like taking a shit as he. Here's a one right here.
Oh.
And that's where it's leaking from.
Yep. But no, it's not no. It's literally.
Huh?
It's literally. It's not no. It's literally.
It's absolutely.
You can switch if you get tired.
What?
You can switch if you want.
Oh, I'm fine. Why do you get the so much?
Well, like I said, it's probably been so up for so long.
Yeah.
I mean, you've seen this. This stuff is so silty and sandy that they probably just leaked it back inside. And
Yeah, the ground's been soaking this up for a little while.
well, I'm
Obviously.
saying the clogged might be even like dirt itself.
Yeah. So I this morning for no reason. That's cool.
But, yeah, I mean, I can't top that, but I was carrying the bowl. Gravel and finding fuel.
Yeah.
Do the rest of it. If you want, you can just leave the machine here.
Yeah, I was planning on it too. Anyway.
Grab that light
Yep. Fine with me.
what are these other?
High and low.